English check, as there, equals.
Je.
Travel essential. Welcome. Hey you. This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources. Today you'll master the check question.
Je.
Meaning, as there. Imagine opening your fridge and asking the cheese.
Je.
If it answers, you should probably start a podcast too. Let's turn curiosity into your travel superpower. Your goal today. By the end, you'll ask about availability like a pro and get quick answers. Ready? In English, as there. In Czech.
Je.
For plural, use.
Jsou.
To soften or specify, try.
Je nějaký.
For a negative check, use.
Není.
Meaning, isn't there. Mini dialogues. Listen and repeat, short, real-life moments with a smile. Shop scene. You, is there fresh bread? In Czech.
Je čerstvý chléb.
Clerk.
Ano, hned vedle.
Info desk. You, is there Wi-Fi?
Je Wi-Fi.
Clerk.
Jasně, zdarma.
Ticket window. You, is there a seat?
Je místo.
Usher.
Ano, řada 5.
Hotel email. You, is there a quiet room?
Je tichý pokoj.
Reception.
Ano, první patro.
Compare. Asking a person directly, do you have maps?
Máte mapy.
For general availability in the lobby.
Jsou tady mapy.
Pronunciation groove. Feel the rhythm and keep it light. Say it like a quick, soft, yay.
Je.
With rising intonation, think 2 ascending notes. Memory hook. Say, yay to cue.
Je.
Short, friendly, curious. Drill time. Your turn. I give the cue, you ask in Czech, then I model it. Is there coffee here? Model.
Je tady káva.
Is there a student discount? Model.
Je tu studentská sleva.
Is there any seat? Model.
Je nějaké místo.
Are there lockers? Model.
Jsou tady skřínky.
Isn't there Wi-Fi? Model.
Není Wi-Fi.
Culture tip. A tiny tip to sound local. Use.
Je.
To ask about existence or availability, and.
Máte.
To ask a person if they have something. Add a polite touch with please.
Prosím, je tady toaleta.
Or.
Prosím, máte mapu.
At info desks and shops in Czechia, a friendly tone plus.
Je.
Works wonders. Quick quiz. Lightning round. Answer out loud. How do you say, is there, in Czech? Answer.
Je.
Plural Czech, are there seats? Answer.
Jsou místa.
Negation, isn't there a map? Answer.
Není mapa.
Even better.
Není tady mapa.
Closing parenthesis. Which one to ask a person directly about possession?
Je.
Or.
Máte.
Answer.
Máte.
Challenge. Ready for a playful mission? For the next 24 hours, every time you enter a new place, whisper.
Je.
To prime your curiosity, then ask a real question like.
Je tady voda.
Or.
Je nějaký desert.
Add a tiny head tilt and a half step forward for confidence. Wrap up. You nailed it. Thanks for listening. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Keep practicing.
Je.
Explore more English Czech lessons at www.synapse-lingo.com, and see you in the next episode.